Hold on to your hats, folks, because the world of finance just got a serious jolt. In a move that has left analysts and investors alike scrambling to make sense of the implications, the financial landscape is about to undergo a seismic shift. Donald J. Trump, never one to shy away from the spotlight, has dropped a bombshell announcement. The United States is establishing a strategic crypto reserve. This isn't just another headline-grabbing stunt. It's a calculated maneuver that could redefine the nation's economic strategy. Yes, you heard that right. The land of the free and the home of the brave is officially dipping its toes into the wild world of digital currencies. This move signals a significant shift in how the US government views and interacts with the burgeoning world of blockchain and cryptocurrencies. Trump, using his preferred platform of Truth Social, declared his intention to make America the crypto capital of the world. His announcement was met with a mix of enthusiasm and skepticism, as experts weighed in on the potential benefits and risks of such a bold move. This unexpected move has sent shockwaves through both Wall Street and the global financial system. Investors are now grappling with the potential ramifications as markets react to the news with a mix of volatility and uncertainty. It's a bold bet on the future of finance, and only time will tell if it's a stroke of genius or a gamble gone wrong. The stakes are incredibly high, and the world is watching closely to see how this unprecedented move will unfold. This isn't just some symbolic gesture either. The establishment of a strategic crypto reserve represents a tangible commitment to integrating digital currencies into the national financial framework. Trump isn't known for doing things by halves. His approach is often all in, and this latest venture is no exception. By diving headfirst into the crypto market, Trump is signaling a willingness to embrace innovation and take calculated risks. The former president has made it clear that this is a significant investment in a basket of cryptocurrencies, strategically chosen to bolster America's financial standing in the rapidly evolving digital landscape. This move could potentially position the US as a leader in the global digital economy. Love him or hate him, you can't deny that Trump knows how to make a splash. His actions often provoke strong reactions, and this latest announcement is no different. Supporters hail it as a visionary step forward, while critics warn of the potential pitfalls. And this latest move is sending ripples across the globe. International markets are reacting, and governments around the world are taking note. The establishment of a US strategic crypto reserve could have far-reaching implications, influencing global financial policies and the future of digital currencies. So which digital darlings have earned a place in America's crypto vault? The lineup might surprise you. Leading the charge, of course, is the OG cryptocurrency itself, Bitcoin. It's the granddaddy of them all, the digital gold standard, and a natural choice for any serious crypto portfolio. Right alongside Bitcoin is Ethereum, the platform known for its smart contracts and decentralized applications. But here's where things get really interesting. Trump didn't stop at the usual suspects. He also threw his weight behind XRP, the cryptocurrency developed by Ripple, which has faced its fair share of regulatory scrutiny. Then there's Solana, a relative newcomer known for its speed and scalability, and Cardano, a blockchain platform focused on sustainability and security. This eclectic mix of established players and rising stars sends a clear message. America is serious about embracing the full spectrum of the crypto world. It's not just about Bitcoin anymore. This strategic reserve is a recognition that the future of finance is diverse, decentralized, and ripe with possibilities. As you might expect, the crypto markets went absolutely bonkers after Trump's announcement. The news spread like wildfire, igniting a frenzy among traders and investors alike. Social media platforms were abuzz with speculation and excitement as everyone tried to get a piece of the action. Imagine a bull in a china shop, except the bull is wearing a MAGA hat, and the china shop is the global financial system. The announcement acted as a catalyst, causing a ripple effect that was felt across all corners of the financial world. Traders scrambled to adjust their portfolios, and the volatility was off the charts. Prices of the chosen 5 cryptocurrencies skyrocketed like rockets fueled by pure hype and speculation. It was as if the market had been injected with a potent dose of adrenaline. The sudden surge caught many by surprise, leading to a flurry of buying and selling activity. XRP, perhaps the most surprising inclusion in the reserve, saw its price surge by a jaw-dropping 33%. This unexpected boost brought renewed attention to the cryptocurrency, which had been struggling to gain traction in recent months. Investors who had previously written off XRP were now reconsidering their positions. Solana wasn't far behind, enjoying a 22% boost. The blockchain platform, known for its high-speed transactions and low fees, suddenly found itself in the spotlight. Developers and enthusiasts celebrated the newfound interest, hoping it would lead to greater adoption and innovation within the ecosystem. But the real winner of the day was Cardano, which shot up by an astounding 60%. This dramatic rise was a testament to the growing confidence in Cardano's technology and its potential to revolutionize the blockchain space. The community was ecstatic, and social media was flooded with posts celebrating the milestone. Even the more established players, Bitcoin and Ethereum, got caught up in the frenzy, with their prices jumping by 9% and 11% respectively. These gains, while modest compared to the newer cryptocurrencies, were significant given their already substantial market caps. It was a clear indication that the entire crypto market was experiencing a wave of optimism. This sudden surge in prices is a testament to the power of Trump's endorsement and the growing influence of cryptocurrencies in the global market. The endorsement acted as a powerful signal, legitimizing digital assets in the eyes of many skeptics. It also highlighted the increasing intersection between politics and finance, as influential figures continue to shape market dynamics. It's a clear signal that governments and institutions are starting to take digital assets seriously, and that the days of crypto being relegated to the fringes of finance are long gone. The market's reaction underscores the growing acceptance and integration of cryptocurrencies into mainstream financial systems. As we move forward, it will be fascinating to see how this evolving landscape continues to unfold, with digital assets playing an increasingly central role in the global economy. Now, some of you might remember that this isn't Trump's first foray into the world of crypto. His journey into the digital currency realm has been both controversial and intriguing, capturing the attention of both his supporters and critics alike. Back in 2024, at the Bitcoin 2024 conference in Nashville, he first floated the idea of a national Bitcoin stockpile. This was a bold move considering the skepticism surrounding cryptocurrencies at the time. Many saw it as a publicity stunt, a way to align himself with the growing tech-savvy demographic. At the time, it seemed like a passing comment, a way to grab headlines and rile up his base. However, those who paid closer attention noticed that Trump was serious about exploring the potential of digital assets. His remarks sparked debates and discussions across various media platforms, with experts weighing in on the feasibility and implications of such a move. But looking back, it's clear that this was just the first seed of a much larger plan. Trump's vision for integrating cryptocurrencies into the national economy began to take shape, and his administration started laying the groundwork for what would become a significant policy shift. Then, in January 2025, his administration issued an executive order calling for a comprehensive evaluation of a national digital asset stockpile. This move was unprecedented and marked a turning point in the government's approach to digital currencies. The executive order outlined the need for a detailed analysis of the benefits and risks associated with creating a national reserve of cryptocurrencies. This signaled a shift from simply hoarding Bitcoin to a more strategic approach, considering a wider range of cryptocurrencies and their potential impact on the U.S. economy. The administration began consulting with industry experts, economists, and technologists to develop a comprehensive strategy that would ensure the country's leadership in the digital asset space. And now, with the announcement of the U.S. Strategic Crypto Reserve, we're seeing the culmination of that vision. This reserve is not just a collection of digital assets, it's a symbol of the country's commitment to embracing the future of finance. The Strategic Crypto Reserve aims to provide stability and security in the volatile world of digital currencies. This isn't just about jumping on the crypto bandwagon, it's about recognizing the transformative potential of blockchain technology and decentralized finance. The administration's efforts are focused on creating a robust framework that supports innovation while ensuring regulatory compliance and protecting investors. It's a calculated move to position America as a leader in the digital asset space, embracing the transformative potential of blockchain technology and decentralized finance. By taking these steps, the U.S. aims to set global standards and foster an environment where digital assets can thrive, ultimately benefiting the economy and securing its place in the future of global finance. So, what's the real motivation behind this bold move? Why is America suddenly so gung-ho about crypto? Well, the answer, as always, is a little more complicated than it seems. On the surface, it's about diversifying the nation's assets, hedging against inflation, and tapping into a rapidly growing market. But dig a little deeper, and you'll find a strategic play for global dominance in the digital age. The US dollar has been the world's reserve currency for decades, but its dominance is being challenged by the rise of China and the growing influence of digital currencies. By embracing crypto, America is positioning itself at the forefront of this financial revolution, aiming to shape the rules of the game and maintain its economic and technological leadership in the 21st century. It's a high-stakes game of chess, and the stakes have just been raised.